This is an intro video on how to use the Jupyter Notebooks on the FormBio platform. You start off in your project home, go down to Form Bench on the sidebar, click Launch, and then from here you can scroll over and go to Jupyter Lab. You can name your instance whatever you wish to name it. Enable GPUs. We have multiple to choose from, along with multiple GPU counts to select. From this, you can also select how many CPUs and how many gigabytes of RAM you want on your machine, the duration of your Jupyter session, and the storage size of the hard drive or SSD of your session. From this, you can click Launch, and it will launch your new session. It may take a few minutes for your session to start as a VM has to boot up. Due to this, I've already started one for you. So we can just click on our running session and it will open a new tab. This new tab, you can start whatever you want in it. It'll have all of your files within it. Here you can see all of our files that are on this project, and you can manipulate them however you want or download, and they will be in your project bucket afterward the session. Here, I'm just starting a new Jupyter Notebook session with a completely blank slate. From this, I want to use it as a normal Jupyter Notebook. So from sklearn, import datasets. There's already a number of Python packages that are pre-installed in your Jupyter sessions. If you wish to install more, you can also install more using pip install, for example, NumPy, which should already be in this notebook. And as you can see, we already have NumPy. From this, if we want to load a dataset, say the iris dataset from our sklearn package, we can do iris datasets.load iris. And this has just loaded the new data set onto our system. We can view this if we import matplotlib.pyplot as plot. And then here we can create a scatter plot from this. And as you can see, we've now opened a Jupyter Notebook, loaded in some packages, checked our installs, or we can install a new one, and then showed or made a plot. After this, you can go back to your form bench, click on your instance at the three little dots, and if you want to extend your session to make it longer, you can extend the session. Or what you can also do in this case, we're done with this notebook, so we will stop the session. And now your session is stopped and you're done. That's running a Jupyter Notebook on the FormBio platform.